Now with Scotty Bauer, CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. How are you approaching your example trade for Alibaba? Good morning, Scott.
Good morning. And yeah, I'm surprised it took this long for them to really get in the headlines about, really embracing the AI craze and the investment. And, they're certainly trying to capitalize on it. The market really likes it, obviously, with the response here. The stock is up 10% right now. And maybe it happens, maybe it doesn't happen. So with this kind of move and this kind of added volatility that I see with the options here, I really think this is a great opportunity to do what's called fading the stock, or being kind of slightly bearish right here on this big move. And like I said, the option implied volatility is about 15% higher than it was yesterday. So I want to sell some premium. So what I'm doing is I'm selling a bearish iron condor for next week. What does that mean? I'm selling both a call spread and a put spread. So I'm selling the 180, 185 call spread. I'm selling the 165, 160 put spread, both which expire next week. I can collect somewhere between $2.25, $2.50 for that. And that premium is going to really kind of whittle away very quickly if the stock just kind of remains here or even starts to retreat a little bit. The reason I like this is because even if the stock continues moving, if there's a blowout further move on the upside or so, this is a completely risk-defined trade. The value of this trade can never be greater than the width of either side of the call spread or the put spread, which is $5. So I'm collecting a lot of premium here, really looking for Alibaba to either just kind of level off here or even retreat back a little bit.
Okay, a good look at Bauer today, which is at 10% higher in trade this morning. Just want to get your overall thoughts, Scott, on the market today. A pretty muted session right now as we await some more top-tier economic data, and perhaps as the markets continue to digest Powell and Co.'s comments. What stands out to you?
Yeah, what stands out is exactly what you just said, that the market is very muted, that we're seeing a VIX right around 16 or so, which, historically, that's not really cheap. It's not expensive at all. But I'm surprised that we're not seeing elevated volatility or a little bit higher volatility, just giving all the macro headwinds that are out there, the news source, the geopolitical events that are out there. I would have expected to see volatility a bit higher. So I think this is, again, as we've spoken about in the past, a really good opportunity for those that want to keep long positions in the market, or, just stay in the market. Great, but buy some protection that is fairly inexpensive.
Okay, a good look at the market there, and also Bauer this morning. Scott, always appreciate it. Thank you so much for joining us today. Scott Bauer, CEO of Prosper Trading Academy.